If you're wondering what to do in Niagara Falls, aside from Clifton Hill, then you're in the right place.
We're going to the Skylon Tower.
See, look, see
That's
the water?
the water. You're
That's the
so
falls.
right.
See that? See the water?
This is so freaky.
I'm sure.
Canadian one out in front, the American on the side.
That's right.
How high are we?
I'm sure you never get tired of the reactions
Never.
of everybody
Never.
going up.
Never.
Oh my gosh.
You're going up 520 feet in 52 seconds.
Oh wow.
That's super speed right
We're
there.
almost up. This is so freaky.
Yeah, the cars look small. Eh? Sorry, horseshoe is the best one.
Exactly, yeah, way better than
Way better. That's the big one right there.
Wow, look at that. At least something we need to be bigger than the Americans.
There's the
right?
Americans, exactly.
At least we have a falls. Yeah.
If you want to get close to the falls, go on the Hornblower.
Used to be called Made of Mist. It's a fun boat ride where you get so close to the falls, the mist of the falls on you. There's even a funicular that you can check out when you're visiting. And don't forget about that bucket list item, ziplining across the Niagara. The Niagara Gardens are some of the most beautifully landscaped and well-maintained areas of Niagara Parks. Remember to go for a stroll and take it all in.
This is Bird Kingdom.
World's largest free-flying indoor aviary.
Tell us what you love about Bird Kingdom.
I love the fact you can see all different kinds of tropical birds from around the world in just one building, man. From macaws to, what are they called, to budgies, to irises.
Do they
to,
have toucans in there?
I think they do.
All right, they do have stairs, and that's the way that you travel through the Bird Kingdom predominantly. But if you need an elevator for any reason, you just head over here to the right, bypass the stairs, and then you're all good to go.
It's right there.
What are we looking for?
Bearded dragon right here in the corner.
A bearded dragon.
Bearded dragon. So if you look right, he's right in the corner there.
Oh, you look creepy.
Oh, we got
Turtles.
tortoises.
Turtles.
Tortoises.
Turtle.
Tortoise.
Look on him. Look, he could scratch himself.
Turtles by definition are aquatic.
Holy tomato!
You see him? I can't show now. You're gonna run into there. Yeah, birdie.
The bird. Oh my gosh.
Carrie. She's
up,
about
Becky?
34 years old.
How old?
34?
Wow.
How old is that bird?
34.
How long can they live?
So the gray's about 60.
For a bird?
The larger one's up to 100.
No. No.
Yes.
You can live to a cent. What?
Yes, and they're actually quite young. So Jackie is one of the older ones, so she's 89. Red is only 17 now.
Regular teenager.
Young
Very young
thing.
considering they can live to 100. right?
Exactly.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Like that? Yeah. Okay, here we go.
videos, don't forget to subscribe. Did you know that Niagara Falls has its own butterfly conservatory? Don't forget to check it out.
This attraction is fantastic for every season. No matter the weather outside, get online, get your tickets early, and enjoy the Butterfly Conservatory. One of our favorite places to eat. The menu looks overwhelming, but it is very manageable, and the hardest choice will be picking just one thing.
I got a burger with my favorite sweet potato fries.
See you soon. Don't be a stranger.